In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Terabox to Telegram bot. Telegram doesn't offer a built-in integration for Terabox, but you can bridge the gap using third-party Telegram bots. This lets you download, stream, or upload files from Terabox links right inside your chats, which is super convenient if you want to manage files without switching apps. Start by opening Telegram and using the search bar to look for a Terabox bot. Common options include names like @TeraboxDownloaderBot, @TeraboxBot, or TeraboxDownloader. Because there are many copies and clones, check for a verified badge where available, skim the bot's profile, and look at recent activity or user reviews to avoid fakes. Once you pick a bot you trust, tap it to open the chat and hit start. The bot will usually send a welcome message and outline the commands it understands. If it asks for permissions that seem unrelated to file handling, back out and try a different bot. Next, follow the bot's prompts to authorize and link your Terabox content. Most of the time, all you need is a Terabox share link. If you don't have one ready, open the Terabox app or website, locate your file or folder, and use the share option to copy the link. Make sure the link is accessible to anyone with the URL if you want the bot to fetch it. Paste that link into the Telegram bot chat. Many bots will instantly parse the link, show the file name and size, and generate a direct download or stream option. Some bots might request you to log in to Terabox to access private content. If you see a login step, only authenticate through official Terabox pages and avoid entering credentials directly in a chat. Certain bots also require you to join an associated channel before unlocking features. If prompted, tap join, then return to the bot. If the bot can't read your link, check that the share hasn't expired and that the permissions are set correctly, then try again or switch to another reputable bot. Keep in mind that file size limits may apply, and busy bots can queue your request. Once it's working, you'll be able to download or stream files directly in Telegram and save them to your chat or saved messages for quick access. Use third-party bots responsibly, respect copyright and service terms, and avoid sharing sensitive files through untrusted tools. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Telegram tips.